Welcome back. I'm Reap, and I appreciate you for tuning in. So today we have another delayed W for the year. Trying to stay positive with all the sneaker releases. You know how the sneaker app and all the foot sites and everything. It's hard to get a W these days without paying resale. So instead of just saying we're taking L's, let me get this out of the way. We're getting delayed W's, man. So like I said, this is the second one of the year for me. The first one would be these. I didn't do a video on these. I just posted them on IG. I did it real. But yeah, got them from Champs. It was like a back order type thing, so I was able to cop these. The cool grade 3s. But that's not what this video is about. This video is about my second delayed W of the year. So you can see, you got that Just Do It tape on there. I guess Nike went back to the old packaging. But yeah, I believe this was sometime last week. Whenever the exclusive access for the Raging Bulls came out. Of course I didn't get exclusive access. But maybe like 5 minutes after that drop or whatever, Sneakers did a sneaky shock drop restock on these. And shout out to Sneaker Twitter and Soul Links for posting the notification. I don't remember which one I clicked on, but they both posted it. So let's go ahead and get these out the box. So y'all see the black cement box, the 5s and 6s come in this box normally. So you can go ahead and check it out. Size 12, of course. Retro 6, that Carmine. So y'all seen these before. Like I said, it's been 2 months since the release, so I'm going to make this quick. And hopefully they don't have any pink, because that's going to be tragic. So, let me see. I don't know. Y'all tell me what you think. Does the midsole look pink to y'all? I think we're good. There's like a slight hint of a tint of pink, but I don't know. I think we're good. Go ahead and compare these. Yeah, it's a little, I don't know what this is on the midsole, but hold on. I don't know if you can see that, but I think we're good. So let's do a little quick overview of these shoes. Like I said, I don't want to spend too much time on this because y'all seen this shoe 1,000 times. I know I have. So we got that Nike Air on the back. That's what really made these hype. Then you get the Nike little tongue tab. Then you got the Jumpman, that neoprene on the tongue. Then you got that Carmine upper. The really soft nubuck. It's kind of like, I don't know, it might be a suede actually. Definitely soft to the touch. So that's a nice touch. Then you got the icy bottom with their Carmine Jumpman with the white accents throughout. And then it's like an off-white neoprene kind of booty on the tongue as well. I don't know if that's coming up on the camera if you can see that contrast. But definitely glad to have these in my collection. If you watched my my how to cop video, I had the most confidence in the world that I was going to hit these on release day. Oh, and don't forget that Nike Air on the insole. Can you see it? There we go. That Nike Air. But yeah. I had the most confidence in the world. I had like 5 entries on Finish Line. So I was like, yeah, I'm going to get this in-store app W. Didn't take the W on Finish Line. I did the Foot Locker, Champs, Foot Action, Hibbett. All L's on release day. Even on the Finish Line website, had my multiple browsers open. Nothing. But Fats did hit me up and was like, hey, bro, I know you want these joints. They have an extra size 12. I like, do you want them? But they have the pink midsole. So I was like, nah, I can't do it, man. I can't pay that bread for a defective shoe. But yeah, shout out to Fats, man. He definitely looked out. Even though it was a pink midsole, he wanted me to make the decision. So, shout out to Fats once again. But yeah, I was so confident that I was going to get these shoes that I bought this in advance. The Rejuvenator, stain, and water repellent. Just in case, I wanted to spray this up there so just in case if the shoe does bleed over time, it won't affect the midsole. And as you can see, it's still in the wrapper, so that's how distraught I was that I didn't get these. But shout out to Nike sneakers for the delayed W, man. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, I don't want to take too much of your time because you've seen this pair a million times. So it's me, your boy E. Reap, man. You got the Carmine 6 Nike Air on the back. You got your Rejuvenator. I'm not sponsored yet, but you know, Rejuvenator. Hit me up. We can work something out, you know. Look, discount code. And use code E.10 on your next purchase. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Catch you on the next one.
When I walk in the club, got money in pockets. I see you with your girls and now y'all excited.